How to reshare your best content automatically every month. Reposting your top performing content is a smart way to maximize its reach without reinventing the wheel. Vista Social lets you do this on autopilot by creating recurring post schedules. Start by identifying your best posts. Vista Social provides analytics to show which content got the most engagement. Once you know your winners, go to your content library or create a new post using the same media and text. Now, instead of scheduling it once, set it to repeat monthly. Just select the recurring option during scheduling and choose the repeat frequency, like the first Monday of every month. Vista Social will automatically repost it for you. This is ideal for evergreen content, think tips, promotions, testimonials, or branded visuals that remain relevant over time. By recycling great content, you stay top of mind without doubling your workload. And yes, you guessed it, the link to start using Vista Social is in the description. Join for free and start automating your best content. Don't let good posts fade into the feed. Set them to resurface consistently and drive engagement long after the original publish date. It's easy, smart, and completely hands-free.